There's been an outbreak of kennel cough at a local animal shelter, and they could use your help to fight the illness. The Humane Society of Cambria County has put its dogs under a 10-day quarantine and adopted strict treatments and health protocols. Kennel cough is serious and highly contagious, and while healthy adult dogs typically recover easily, puppies under 6 months may need in-depth treatment. To help prevent the spread, the Humane Society is asking for bleach, liquid laundry detergent, and monetary donations. For more information on how you can help, go to our website, wearecentralpa.com.